Ukrainian intelligence fighters strike costly Russian radar stations. Ukrainian scouts hit 2 expensive Russian radar stations, reports the main intelligence directorate of the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine. According to reports, on November the 18th, a Russian radio position was discovered near the settlement of Dmitriev, Kursk region, Russia. As a result of the combat work of the intelligence, 2 expensive Russian radar stations were damaged: the Nebo 55ZH6 radar and probably the Gamma S1E. The total losses of the Russians are currently being determined. Nebo 55ZH6 radar, designed for detection, identification, measurement of 3 coordinates and tracking of air targets, including airplanes manufactured using stealth technology. It is used in the Air Defense Forces as part of the ACS or autonomously. The radar is designed for detecting, identifying, measuring 3 coordinates and tracking air targets, including stealth-made aircraft. The Gamma S1E, designed for use as part of automated control systems of air defense troops in the Air Force, as well as in non-automated units and rapid deployment forces. It can also be used as a source of information for automated air traffic control posts of civil aviation. The Gamma S1E mobile 3-dimensional target acquisition, weapons guidance and target designation radar equipped with a phased array detects and tracks a wide range of current and prospective air targets, including air-launched missiles in natural and man-mode interference environments. Recently, Ukrainian scouts destroyed the Pole 21 enemy electronic warfare complex. The fighters used a drone. The intelligence officers note that the means of radio-electronic warfare in the war are of strategic importance.